Yo, what up? I'm back with another video. I'm out here at my warehouse and I got a Miata right here. You already know. We got a 1.6. What year is this, Ed?
90.
Got a 1990 1.6. All right, I'm here with my friend Ed. Say what's your Instagram at? Is your Miata? You'd like to talk about your Miata?
EDDMX5.
So today on this whack Miata, we're gonna be switching out this fuel filter because it hasn't been switched out since he's got it.
That fuel filter is older than us.
That fuel filter is older than us. Here's a new fuel filter. This is the in, and this is the out. Yeah. So the main goal today is to switch this out. So some Miatas don't have this cover, and some of them do. So this is the cover. The fuel filter is inside there. You're gonna need to take this out. You got a Phillips screw right here, and then you got two more over here. And then there's one right here on the very top as well. And then there's one more bolt all the way on the, there's not a bolt, it's a screw all the way on top. But after that, yeah, you know, you just take it off. And there's your fuel filter.
Why doesn't it look that bad? It looks like they replaced it.
Yeah, this is a, how many miles does your car have?
192,000.
192,000 filter.
Okay.
So you just relieve pressure, open up the gas cap. If you guys don't know how to do that, we got you, bro. We got you. So yeah.
How does it
You don't even know how to use it, bro.
How do I do it?
Bro, you have a Miata and you don't use it because it's a Miata. There's two clips right here to remove these hoses, and then after you remove them, they're gonna drip gasoline into this. Right here. But so I guess I'm just gonna do this one, I guess. This is my first time doing it, so yeah.
Fucking disaster.
Yeah.
Yank on it. Just yank on it. Just fucking yank on it.
And then you gotta do the other one just in case, you know.
You already know.
I'm scared. What? Nothing. You do the bukkake twist and you pull. This is like the worst thing I have like told in my whole life. Taking off hoses. Ow!
I didn't see what you got. What the fuck happened?
Ow! I pinched myself.
Ow! Yummy. Oh, it's just
Damn, it smells like E85 in this bitch.
fucking gas, dumbass.
So yeah, you just gotta let that drain, and while that's happening, you just go smoke a cigarette or something. Alright guys, so we don't know what the fuck we're doing, so we're just gonna take this off. Alright, then you go right here. Just take these off as well. One's on the top. Damn, you saw that? I didn't even look.
That's a lot of water.
Water. You hear that little click? That's how you know you did it good.
Wow.
So you got the feet.
Oh, you fucking nigga. I thought you knew about that.
Remember to wear gloves. Because I didn't. So yeah, you let that shit drippy drip. And then you move this line out of the way. And then you scoot this over here. And then you just yank.
Hurry. All the gas comes out. Oh. Oh. Ooh, it smells good. It's not coming out.
It's about to.
Go.
Alright guys, there you go.
Yay. Upside down? Yeah, it's actually like that. Yeah, the way you have it.
Alright, and then you just put this side in. And just connect this side as well.
Bam, ba, ba, da, ba.
And that's how you lose half a tank in 2 minutes.
I think I'll be okay. Damn, he's strong. Wow.
And then you just zip tie it like that, and it'll be fine.
You're funny.
You deadass can.
I know. Don't even bother putting on the cover, dude.
This is why I hate fuel lines so bad.
Gotta get those angles, man. Gotta get those angles.
Yep. And then, which one? This one too. Over here. Those. You just go like this. I got you, bro. I got you like this, bro. Just open this like this.
Damn, homie.
You know what's up, bro. You know how to do this shit. Alright. Okay, guys. So you just put on these nuts. These bolt frame. For the cover, you just repeat everything but just backwards. Self-explanatory. And there you go. There's your fuel filter. You know? Smells like fuel. You'll probably get high, but it's okay. It's free. So that's how you do a fuel filter replacement on a Miata, 1.6 Miata with Ed.
Eddie approved.
Eddie approved. Okay, bye.
We didn't turn it on. Really fucked up your job. That's right.